Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on auction alert results in the Catawiki application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the inbox section, click on the notifications button. And at the bidder notifications section, look for the auction alert results button. And to enable it, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns green, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.